Hey everybody, I'm back, and quick review. I just went walking around Jamal randomly, even in the ocean, everywhere, and people start gifting me things, so I guess I'm gonna do a MailTime part 2. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. 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 Wow, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love those. Fairy the cat wolf. What? No offense, but what kind of username is that? Nice username though. Thank you, Binky. Thank you. Him. Fairy the cat wolf strikes again. Thank you. Jimmer Pink. Thank you. Sophia. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, soul render. Thank you. I enjoy those. It's glitched. Thank you. Ocean, you struck again. Oh my god. Hold on. Thank you so much. By the way, I already sent them amazing things back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Actually, I made a joke earlier and I said I was going to eat those for dinner. Thank you. Roman, oh god. Oh, so they're worth that much. I don't want to recycle any gifts, so I'm going to go down to my own inventory. I don't use those. Thank you, Ocean, again. Sorry, but I don't need every single one. Thank you, Binky. Roman Wolf, thank you. I already have that color, I'm so sorry. Ocean, thank you. Like I said, I don't need every single one. Peace, thank you. And I guess that's it. Well, thank you for everything, especially this. Now it looks like I have a black long and a black short. Thank you even for this. Every single thing. Thank you so much. Wow. Especially shout out to Ocean. She is a May. There was anything bad on trade, I would trade her something really awesome. Den items, not so much, but I still got some things. This cute little thing right here. Anyways, thank you all, and bye guys. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.